Today we are not drawing on the floor. We are standing up to draw on a big easel. Reaching up high makes our shoulders super strong. Look at how I hold my crayon today. All my little fingers are pointing down at the paper. Can you hold your crayon just like me? Now I can make the crayon go exactly where I want. Round and round. I am making big loops. It's like a roller coaster on my paper. Drawing up high makes my wrists so strong. Now I can control my lines. Go tape some big paper to your wall and try it too. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jiggly Wiggly.